Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file property tax online in Delhi. Filing your property tax online is a convenient way to manage your civic duties without leaving your home. We'll walk through the essential steps, ensuring you have all the necessary information to complete the process smoothly. This method simplifies what can often be a complex task, making it accessible for everyone. Before you begin, ensure you have all your documents organized. You'll need your unique property identification number, which is crucial for accessing your records. Additionally, have your property ownership documents, such as the sale deed or allotment letter, close by. Details of any prior tax payments are also important for accurate filing. Having these ready will streamline your online submission. The first step is to navigate to the official municipal corporation website for Delhi. Once there, locate the property tax section and enter your unique property identification number. Carefully verify all the displayed property details to ensure accuracy. After confirmation, the system will calculate your tax amount. You can then proceed to make your payment securely through various online options. To ensure a smooth experience, always double-check all the information you enter before final submission. This helps prevent common errors that could delay your filing. Remember to be mindful of the annual filing deadlines to avoid any late payment penalties. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.